It's trap season, bro. It's trap season, bro. It's trap season, bro.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are, if you're not new, welcome as well. This is a new video, of course. This is episode 2 and 3 of the Atlanta luxury apartment hunting series that I'm doing. You may see this intro in both videos because I did see 2 apartments on the same day, so I may just insert this intro into both of those videos because why not? I mean, it's, you know, you just want to see the apartment, right? So it's not that serious. But anyway, so yeah, so I am going to be looking at 2 apartments today, and then you'll just pretty much see what I see. I'm gonna go ahead and give you the disclaimer. On the 3rd episode of the apartment tour, the footage kind of just abruptly stopped, so I do apologize now in advance because what happened was my camera died, and so during the midst of me shooting it, so that's what happened. So I do apologize because I did want you guys to see the actual scene that cut off, like, cause that just was like only half of that, wasn't the full thing. So I definitely want to say I apologize for that. But I did get some nice clear footage because the first episode, it kind of was like so fast and stuff like that, and I was like looking at it and I was like, why didn't I do this? Why didn't I get this angle? Why didn't I get that angle? So I pretty much got all the angles that I thought that would be sufficient enough so you guys can get like a full effect of what I'm saying. And also, you guys really don't know this, but on the day that I move into whatever apartment that I see or choose, I definitely will be doing a mystery apartment reveal, so you won't know exactly which one I'll choose until you actually watch the video, and then I'll say this is the apartment that I chose out of all of them. So yes, and other than that, let's see if you guys have any other questions about these type of videos as far as like exactly where I went, how much is the rent costing me at these places. I mean, I'll definitely answer those in the comments below if you choose to, or if you want to DM me on my other social media platforms like Instagram or Snapchat. I definitely can give you all the insights on how much it's costing me, the areas that it's in, and stuff like that. Because I didn't want to pretty much put the apartment complex that I'm looking at out there like that, because for one thing, they're not paying me for promotion. That's what they're not doing. So, but as far as like, but they are in Atlanta. They are in the Atlanta city limits. I can't give you that. They're close to the Lenox Square, Buckhead area. I can give you that as well. But so that's all I'm going to give you. But like I said, if you want to know more details about where I went, how much the rent is going to cost me for those places, I definitely will let you know, because I don't have a problem giving out information. But yes, so I hope you guys have been enjoying this. There are more videos that are coming. I'm still right now in the process of editing the Christmas video. I know it's late, but hey, I'm working. Like, I'm literally like trying to handle things or whatever, as far as I'm working a full-time job. I just got another damn near full-time job. So, like, Cori's hustling, okay? And I'm still trying to figure out another intro for you guys. Me and my cousin keep playing around with you're watching CoriCU. It's working, something like that. CoriCU, watching CoriNation TV. I don't know what it's gonna be yet. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling because it's already 3 minutes into this video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you like these type of videos and stuff like that. I mean, what do you want to see from me? I definitely can show you. I know my channel is small, but I'm trying to grow it, so I need you guys to help me grow it. I would love for you guys to just kind of give me your feedback, give me your critiques, and let me know what you guys want to see. So anyway, without further ado, please enjoy these episodes 3 and 4. So click the link for the next video if you want, for episode 3, or go back to 4. Episode 2, or go back to 3, or 3 to go back to 2. Whatever, you get what I'm saying. So yeah, enjoy these videos, and thank you guys so much for watching.
I've been running so hard as I pray, Lord. Going so fast, I'm a racehorse. Battle on my demons at my front door. My chakra exhaust. upon us, get Satan, you jump out of his sleep. I've been running so hard as I pray, Lord, going so fast, I'm a racehorse, battle on my demons at my front door. My chakra exhaust upon us, get Satan, you jump out of his sleep. Now I'm cursed, living on shirts, wake up at a hearse, little red riding hood in a fucking skirt with a wicked crooked smile. Think she come with perks, she come with the battle axe ready to battle, twisted metal, mentally unstable. This isn't a fairy tale, this isn't a tale I wanna tell. The depiction of the one who thinks she gold, but took the apple for the witch. Came sick, twisted a minute, goddamn, that bitch is crazy. Got the wool by his throat while she gutting him as he screams out for help, as he screams out for help. I've been running so hard as I pray, Lord, going so fast, I'm a racehorse, battle on my demons at my front door. My chakra exhaust upon us, get Satan, you jump out of his sleep. I've been running so hard as I pray, Lord, going so fast, I'm a racehorse, battle on my demons at my front door. My chakra exhaust upon us, get Satan, you jump out of his sleep. Drop to my knees like damn man, why by chased by the span of goons, this devilish vibe is there along for the ride. Praying like it's the end of days, revelation running through my veins, temptation robbed my brain, my whole life has changed. Even the wise men know I've seen better days. Now it's like mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest queen of them all? Is it Snow White with the 7 dwarves? Bitch, you acting like a gold digging Willie store. I've been running so hard as I pray, Lord, going so fast, I'm a racehorse, battle on my demons at my front door. My chakra exhaust upon us, get Satan, you jump out of his sleep. I've been running so hard as I pray, Lord, going so fast, I'm a racehorse, battle on my demons at my front door. My chakra exhaust upon us, get